Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about American Airlines Baggage Policy. So let's get started. So basically, American Airlines allows one free carry-on baggage and one personal item per passenger, and the checked baggage fees vary by destinations and fare type. And when it comes to the personal item, it should basically fit under the seat and include items like purse, a laptop bag, or a small backpack. And the carry-on baggage should fit in overhead bins and typically have size restrictions of 22 by 14 by 9 inches or 56 by 36 by 22 centimeters. And the checked baggage fees depend on routes, fare class, and frequent flyer status, with weight limits for economy class usually at 50 pounds or 23 kilograms. And when it comes to the sports equipment and the musical instruments, there is a specific guidelines that's gonna apply to them. And passengers with elite status or premium fare classes may receive enhanced baggage allowance or waived fees. And for additional information, you can consult the airline website. So yeah, that was the video for today. I hope it helps you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.